Yes. Today's lesson is about the type tool and the shape tool in Photoshop. In this case, in Photopea, because many of you don't have Photoshop. Okay, now the type tool is basically to add text to your images. Now you can use this tool to make invitation cards, to make templates, to create a poster, or whatever you like. I'm pretty sure this is very useful tool. Okay, now we have just clicked the type tool. Make sure that the background layer is clicked because you need to edit above the background layer, and just drag and drop just like in here. Okay, now I'm just going to type galaxy and see the result. Okay, now the option that I have selected, the font family that I have selected, is this Geostar, but you can type whatever font family you like, and you can find it in here. Or you can just type if you want one. Okay, so next you have the preview, so how it will look like. Now it can be regular, it can be bold, it can be whatever option your font family has. We have the size. You can increase or decrease the size. We have the color. I'm just choosing this color. Okay, and you have the options for the alignment. So you want it to be left, right, or left, center, or right. Okay, and then what is another option of the text is this word text. The wrap text means to distort part of the original text. So you can use this. You can make, for example, like an arc. You see? You can change, of course, the options, the horizontal distortion or the vertical distortion, just like you want it to be. Once you are okay with that, you can click OK. Okay. Now, if you're not happy with where your text is placed, you can still use the move option and just move it where you want it to be in the image. Okay, just going to keep it here for the moment. Okay, another option of the text tool is to make other edits, and you can go to the edit menu. You can click the free transform option or the transform, and you have many options in here, such as to rotate it in the right, in the left, horizontal, vertical, etc. If you click on free transform, you are able to make it bigger or smaller, the text. Okay. Now this is basically all you need to know about the text tool. Now the other option, which is found in the same category, is the shape tool. Now if you right click, you can find there are many shapes to choose from, such as rectangle, ellipse, line, parametric shape, or custom shape. For the moment, we're just going to use one of the predefined shapes, such as, for example, one ellipse. Okay, I want it to be in the text part, so I'm just going to choose this. But you see what happens when I choose the shape tool and the layer is above the text tool? It means the text is not going to show. So make sure and you know how to work with the layers. Okay. Now once we have this shape, you can change the options of the shape, such as the fill color. I'm just choosing this one. The stroke color. The stroke is the outside part or the border. You can choose a pattern. You can choose to make it a gradient. You can choose a linear color, a solid color. Okay. Let's make an example. You can also change the type of the borders or the stroke. So you can even make it with dashes or a solid one. I'm just trying the dashes. Okay. Now you may do whatever option you like, and you can change how it looks like. Just going to keep it like that. Okay. Also, I'm not happy with the opacity, so I'm just going to lower it to make it more transparent. Okay, like that. Now still, you can also wrap the shape. You can go to edit, you can make a transformation, such as wrap in here, and you may change and you may distort the original shape. Okay, you can try many options as well. Okay, I'm just going to make this shape. Okay, once you are happy with the result, you can click OK, the tick one. Okay, let us see now the custom shape. What is it? Now it means that besides the rectangle, ellipse, etc., you can choose a shape which is already, let us see, because I have chosen moon form. Okay, it's a predefined shape and you can customize it however you want. There are a lot of shapes to choose from. Let's just make a smile. Okay, and once you have clicked it, you just choose the position, just like that. Now remember that it's going to take the options from the previous shape that you have done. So you can change the options in here. I'll just make it with a pattern. There are plenty of patterns to choose from, but let's just make this one for the moment because the others are not loading. Okay, you can scale it. Let's just see the stroke now. I'm not choosing dashes anymore, but a line. It is too thick, so let's just make it like that. Okay, now I'm pretty sure that you can make it better than me, so please try these two options from this category, the type tool and the shapes tool. Okay, the lesson is in page 183 from the book, and I'm also going to send you the tutorials from Adobe Photoshop, how to add text, how to edit text, how to create a graphic shape, and to make a custom shape. Also, I'm going to send you cool ideas to make the text appear better. Okay, bye guys.